Hey friends, if JPG files are not opening in Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolution. Search for the Photos app because this is the default app to open these files, and go to app settings in the right pane. Now scroll down and try to repair this app. If it doesn't help by repairing, we have to wait till we get a tick mark here, then reset it. This should help. If that doesn't help, then right click on the start button and select settings of the menu. Go to the Windows Update tab and click on check for updates in the right pane. And the last solution is obviously an SFC scan. So search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator. Type the command SFC space / scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.